All right, so my play of the year, yes, my play of the year was tonight. Wake Forest ended up being plus 1.5, plus 105. I gave them out all week to all my huge clients. Plus, it was actually earlier in the week they're -1. Gave them out on the money line. Ended up going to plus 105, plus 115. This is a winner. I have a client right now that bet $100,000 on this game. My biggest client. I told him this is the game of the year, and he went huge on it, and it's a winner. There's the game right there. He just dropped it. Okay, so if you guys want to get on my NFL picks, I got a new deal going on my website. Let me show you. All right, so I have individual games for sale on my website. If you guys go to chrisbarr.com, chrisbarr.com/daily, just go to chrisbarr.com and then click right here. Go to the home page or go to buy daily picks. Wake Forest just won. Play of the year winner. Easy money. Easy money. All right, so let's get in the NFL. I'm going to show you something real quick. I got the Dolphins game right here. Dolphins at Bills. This game is for $25 right now on the website. You got Saturday. You got NHL Play of the Day. That's $9 daily. Jaguars at Bengals. That game is $5 right now on the website. Cardinals at Giants. That game is $10. Colts, Texans at Colts. That game is $10. Raiders at Packers. That game is $2. Rams at Falcons. That game is $75. Redskins at 49ers at Redskins. That game is $5. Lions at Vikings. Or it's Vikings at Lions. That game is $50. I gotta fix this. This it's a learning experience. It's my first time. Chargers at Titans. That game's $25. And Ravens at Seahawks. That game is $1. No joke. Teaser of the week, $20. 3-team 10-point teaser of the week, $20. Monday Night Football, $15. Sunday Night Football, $15. And Saints at Bears. That game's $10. And if you look, if lose, you get 25 credit off of a $10 purchase. And I have this for every single game. So just check out the website and come make some money over here at chrisbarr.com.